I'm certainly having trouble with this. I put the spindle in. There's a sleeve, goes on here, and then the keeper, the key, and then the pulley. Flush against the body. But when I put it all together several times, when I put the pulley on, it does not reach the spacer. When I try to push it, it rubs on the arm. This arm right here. This arm, it rubs on there. Where does this go? Does this go inside the pulley or on top? It doesn't matter because it seems like the spindle is not high enough off the body. But this is all what came off of here. So what did I do wrong?